So it's funny, a lot of the personality of that vocal comes from the chopping of it. And the fact that it's getting smashed to bits by that compressor. Don't come out. Yeah, my vocal chops, I'm very crazy with that. Don't show up. Like, that's... Don't come out. Oh, there's a LFO tool ducking it right now. Let's turn that off for the moment. Don't come out. Don't come out. So like that don't, and I chopped it to this. Don't come out. Yeah, I chopped that. Don't come out. I love that, and it stops before the snare. So it's like you hear it stop. You don't just, I didn't just clip it at the snare. No. So it's like a little, oh, what the f, you know? Remember, LFO tool gets automated to turn on right there when it drops. So right when the chorus hits, you're getting this. Don't show up. Boom. Don't come out. Ducking the f out of that vocal. Okay, so here's the chain. OTT, what a surprise. Take a screenshot if you want, I don't care. Don't show up. Don't come out. That's just as clean as it gets. So there's a little boost in the highs. Probably because I felt like there should be a boost in the highs. So Brainworks is clean sweep is just a really nice thing to take off like low end. If you look at like this area right here on the vocal, if I turn off clean sweep, look at this area. Don't show up. Look at all that information there. There's some low end. There's some 22, 25 hertz. I don't need that information. It's gonna f my compressor. Take it out. Don't show up. Well, it didn't take it out completely, but it cut it out so that the compressor is acting on what's there, not some invisible bass that I can't hear. What am I, an amateur? Then UAD smashed to right? Yep. Don't show up. Don't come out. That's the difference. Don't stop caring about me. It's the hold shift and smash them, you know, because that makes it distort a little bit. Don't show up. Don't show up. Yeah, listen to the difference in show. Show up. Clean. Show up. Distorted. Show up. You know what I mean? It's reducing it to as much as it can. Then our favorite OTT, but responsible OTT. Look at the responsibleness on it. Show up. Show up. Show up. Show up. Great plugin. Little multi-band expansion and compression there. Don't stop caring. Pultec. This plugin has a lot to do with what comes after it. Let's pull up those two. They're bypassed right now. I boosted the highs into the de-esser. Don't stop caring. Don't stop. Oh my god, that S. Don't stop. I boosted the highs. Don't stop. At 10K, and then I de-ess it. Don't stop caring. Don't stop caring. Feel me? In back of that is. Don't come out. Don't stop caring. That's some printed doubles with micro shift on it. Don't come out. That's from the demo. Remember, I didn't mix this. I gave Josh the song to mix, and like I would give him a clean version of the vocals and everything. The vocals for the demo were done in the room. Don't start caring about me now. That was a demo. You could see how much spin Dua put on it. Dua didn't sing it as much. The demo was more of a like, don't show up, don't come out, don't not caring about me now. Dua was like, what if we try it like blah blah? And it sounded so good. When Dua puts her voice on a record, it's a different record. It's like, oh, this song is dope. Here's a good thing. Here's a good thing. Pultec is a phenomenal EQ. Very transparent. Without. With. I'm attenuating by a good amount at 10K, but then boosting a little bit at 8 for some reason. That Pultec is purely to soften the high end on the drums. Let's go extreme. I would have gone there.